In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear messages history on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages application, and then if you would like to delete some messages in a conversation, first off you need to enter that conversation. And then if you would like to delete some messages, you can just long press on the message you would like to delete. Then tap at More. After that, you will be able to select multiple messages. It can be your messages or your recipient's messages, it doesn't matter. Once you have selected all the messages you would like to delete, tap right here at Trash Bin. And then tap at Delete. That will delete all the selected messages from a conversation. If you would like to clear entire conversation, all you have to do is just swipe to the left and then tap at Trash. It says that this conversation will be deleted from all of your devices. To continue, tap at Delete. If you would like to clear multiple conversations at once, all you have to do is just tap right here at these three dots and then tap at Select Messages. In your case, right here instead of filters may be allocated Edit link. If you don't have these three dots link over here, tap right there at the top left corner where it says Edit, and that's where you will find Select Messages. Once you tap on that, you will be able to select multiple conversations, and once it is done, all you have to do in order to delete them is just tap at Delete and delete again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.